Hey guys, what's up? It's Annie. I am in Tampa, Florida today. I know, you're probably like, what? You're traveling again? But yes, I am on vacation with my dad, my stepmom, my step-siblings, and my 12 nieces and nephews under the age of 5. So it is going to be a fun trip. We are having a very relaxing vacation, some golf time, pool time, spa time, maybe even some workout classes thrown in there, and I wanted to bring you guys along. So first things first, let me give you a tour of my room before I unpack everything. Here is the door to my room. Immediately when you walk in, you see this view. I am actually directly across from the pool. I think I'm the closest room on the resort to this pool. This is the Loch Ness pool, and it is the happening pool. It is where you want to be. So I am so close to it. I can just roll out of bed and walk right on over to it. But yeah, as you can see, I have a little patio. I have 2 queen beds in my room. I think 2 of my little nieces might spend the night one night, which would be super fun. Nothing too exciting over here, just your standard radio, clock, phone situation. Then if we turn this way, I have a table and chairs, which is, you know, kindly holding all of my stuff. I really enjoy that the resort has a little calendar that they put out, and it says, you know, different activities going on each day, especially the exercise classes. I will definitely be partaking in those, so I really appreciate it all being in one place. So that's really helpful. And then here is the map, and I am right here, and again, this is the pool. So past the table and chairs, I have a couch and another chair. Lots of seating in this room. Here we have a small kitchen, 2 oversized chairs, which are really nice. So this is a little booklet about the spa, different services they offer. I'm definitely going to be checking out the spa at some point, so I'll take you there when I go. Here's your kitchen. Again, you have the microwave, you have a pretty big fridge, bigger than most hotel rooms. Then you have a coffee maker, there's your sink, there's also a disposal, and then you have a little stovetop oven. I was going through all these drawers earlier, and there's actually silverware, your knives. Under here, you have a toaster, a can opener, and a blender. These drawers by the trash can, more cooking utensils, and then under here you have your pots and your dishes. There's an ice bucket here, but it says this water is not free. It's $2 a bottle. So just an FYI, maybe go out and buy a bunch of bottled water. Well, let's check out what's in all of these closets. This closet, oh, we have a safe, ironing board and an iron, and then some suitcase holders. Is that what you call them? Is there a name for them? I don't know. And down this hallway, oh, there's this other closet. Oh, this is nice. I really like this closet. This is a full-length mirror. This is actually, I just changed into what I'm wearing to the pool. So this is my cover-up. And then in this closet, we have extra bedding. And then again, this little door right here leads back into the space. So here's the bathroom. Pretty nice. Small bathroom, not huge, but it will work. Lots of towels, which I love. Archive Finest bathing soap, green tea and willow, relaxing. I see the vibe they're going for here, for sure. Archive revitalizing conditioner, green tea and willow, relaxing, and then I have a feeling this is going to be green tea and willow as well, yes. Here's the path right outside of my room, the front entrance of my building, and there, right across the way, is the pool, and we're gonna go check it out. There's a little sandy area, and then here's the actual pool. Very cute. There's even some shops right here if you forgot some clothes or you want some food and drinks. So we might check that out and get something to eat or drink while we're here. But first I'm gonna find a really good spot to sit. So here's the menu at the pool bar. Lots of appetizers, salads. I just ordered the soft pretzel with cheese. That just seemed like a really good snack. And then we also have, oh, it says main splash. So more like your entrees. And then we even have a little kids menu at the bottom, which we'll definitely be taking advantage of this week. They also gave me one of the drink menus to check out. Here is all the frozen specialties. Lots of different options. And then here's your cool classics. Ooh, Mai Tai, that is my favorite. And then we have some signature premium pitchers. And today, all I got, not very exciting, but all I got was a Diet Coke to enjoy at the pool. I came over to the pool, but I actually completely forgot to bring my suntan lotion. Thankfully, I can almost see my room from here, so I'll probably run back and get it, but I just wanted to show you guys the snack I got. Here's the pretzels and cheese, also comes with mustard. All right, I got my suntan lotion. Before I head back to the pool, let me show you guys where the laundry and ice is. Actually, I don't know where it is yet, so let's go explore. Ah, I think this is the laundry room. Oh yes, 2 washers, 2 dryers, and an ice machine. What more can you ask for? I just took a dip in the pool and it was so nice. Like, oh, it's so hot outside, so the pool was cold, but it felt amazing. Right by the pool, there's this little sand area with some cornhole games. Ooh, this is fun. I love this. I was getting really hot in the sun, so I came into this nice shaded area so I could sit here, watch some YouTube videos, chill by the pool, but be out of the sun. A better view of the pool from here. You have a little volleyball net. I like this rock feature. It's really neat. And then this is cool. Out in the distance, there's more of a kids area. It's really shallow over there. I love the little fountains popping up. Very nice. I'm off to the fitness center to take a yoga class. I don't really know where I'm going, but I will figure it out. But yes, the pool was so nice to just, I could have laid out there for a while longer, but I really want to go take a class. Look how pretty this is. I love this pond, and it says Innisbrook in the bushes. I don't know if you can see that. Let me try to zoom in. There it is, Innisbrook. I believe this is the fitness center. I'm pretty sure, but we shall see. Oh yes, there's a big sign over there that says fitness center, so we are in the right place. So I found out that all the yoga classes are right here at the Salamander Spa. It's right next to the fitness center, so I didn't have to go far. So I just finished the yoga class out on the terrace. It was so nice and relaxing. Well, no, it wasn't relaxing at all. It wasn't relaxing at all, but it was peaceful. It was just a beautiful night to do yoga outside. I don't think I've ever done a class outside. Everybody in the class was so friendly, so nice. So it was a great time. I'm exhausted though. Good morning, guys. It's the next day. It's about 8:30 in the morning. I'm walking over to the fitness center to do a Pilates class. So I figured now is the perfect time to show you the fitness center. So I just finished my Pilates reformer class. It was awesome. I feel really, really good. It was $25, just so you know, but it was definitely worth that price. I feel great. So this is my view at breakfast. Inside is the restaurant. We actually ate at it last night. We ate outside. And then this is the breakfast area. There's also a room inside, but I figured it's so nice outside. Why not sit outside? This is called the Market Grill. Lots of different options. I actually got the breakfast quesadilla. And then they also have small plates, a bakery, sides, beverages. Here's the breakfast quesadilla. I actually just took a bite of it, but wow, this is a lot of food. I am tapping out. Too much food. It is a lot later. I've spent the last 4 hours at the pool. It's been so nice playing with my nieces and nephews, but I'm exhausted. just so much sun. So now I'm gonna go have a nice relaxing time at the spa. I have a weird treatment that I'm doing. It's called the blueberry slimming treatment. So don't quite know what that's gonna entail. I hope to feel very light as a feather afterwards. So here's something I discovered yesterday. With your receipt from the Pool Bar restaurant, you can get 10% off your spa service, which is pretty awesome. So I am bringing my receipt to the spa. Good morning, guys. It's day 3 and we're going to a water aerobics class at the Cypress Pool. So there's the spa, and then if you turn this way, this is the pool where I'm going to the water aerobics class. So pretty close to the spa. Here's the other pool. It seems like much more of a lap pool, workout pool, but this is another option for pools here at the resort. That was such a fun time. It was just myself and another lady named Marilyn. She was the sweetest lady. And then Lynn was the instructor. She was also the instructor yesterday when I did Pilates. So it was a really nice class. It was a really nice start to the day. So right by the pool, there's an entrance here to the slides. And there's 2 slides at this pool. So we're gonna go on them now. So there's one slide over here and then one slide over here. This one's pretty cool. It has some waterfalls in it. And then both slides come out onto this little pool. Then when you're done going down the slides, you just climb right back up the stairs and go again. Let me give you a little overview, a shot. There's the one slide, and the other side's kind of covered by foliage here. So you might have noticed that my week doesn't involve any golf or showing you any golf. And that's because I don't golf. So I can't really go, you know, to all the golfing holes and show it to you because I'm not participating. So that's why you're seeing a lot of fitness center and a lot of spa, because that's what I enjoy to do. That's my thing. So yesterday I did a body sculpt class, but it was raining, so I couldn't, you know, I didn't want to take my camera out and show you. Today I am doing an outdoor yin vin class. So it's like, I think it's a combination of yin yoga and vinyasa yoga. So that'll be fun, and that is where I'm walking to right now. One of the things I love about this resort is all the walking. I love that I can walk to the fitness center, walk to the spa, walk around the property. It's a lot of fun, and it's just good exercise, good steps for my Fitbit. So yes, let us go do our yoga class. So this is the outdoor relaxation area in the spa. And this is where I'm gonna have yoga this morning. This is also where I had yoga on Tuesday night. It's such a great space for yoga, so peaceful. The funny thing is, there's a golf path right there, and during the last class, my dad rode by on his golf cart and waved, which was really funny. Just finished my yoga class, and now I'm in the spa pool and steam room. Here's the steam room. It's so nice in here. And it's just me. It is time to go. We are heading back to Maryland, about to get on a plane, but before I do, I wanted to wrap up this vlog. It has been a great 6 days here at Innisbrook Resort. We've had such an awesome time, especially hanging out by the pool and just having lots of family time. But now it's time to get back to real life. I highly, highly, highly recommend, if you are coming here, to bring lots of suntan lotion. The sun is crazy hot, and also bug spray, because the mosquitoes are insane at night. I have a lot of bites, but it's all good. It is what it is. I also recommend some itch cream just in case you get mosquito bites. That will help. Thank you again for your support. It means the world to me, and I will see you in the next vlog. Bye, guys.